Switching between Apple IDs on iPhone.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common query. How can you seamlessly switch between multiple Apple IDs on your iPhone? Whether you have different accounts for personal and business use or any other reason, let's explore the steps.
Why would you need multiple Apple IDs?
Before we delve into the process, let's understand why some might have multiple Apple IDs. 1. Different purposes. One for personal use and one for work. 2. Regional app stores. Some users have separate accounts for accessing different country-specific app stores. 3. Family sharing. To share purchases with family while keeping personal data separate.
Where are Apple IDs used?
On your iPhone, the Apple ID is used in various places. 1. iCloud, for storage and device backups. 2. App Store and iTunes, for app and media purchases. 3. FaceTime and iMessage, to connect with others. Remember, switching the Apple ID might affect the data associated with these services.
Switching Apple IDs on iPhone.
Now, let's get to the main part, the steps. 1. Sign out of the current Apple ID. Go to Settings. Tap on the name at the top. This is your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. You might be prompted to enter your password. After doing so, tap Turn Off. 2. Sign in with a different Apple ID. In Settings, tap on Sign In to your iPhone at the top. Enter the email address and password of the other Apple ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in.
Things to remember.
1. Data sync. When you switch Apple IDs, iCloud data, like contacts, calendars, and notes, will sync according to the new ID. 2. App updates. Apps downloaded with one Apple ID will require the ID's password for updates. 3. iMessage and FaceTime. These might be affected when switching accounts. Ensure you're using the desired Apple ID for communication. Switching between Apple IDs on your iPhone is straightforward, but always remember the implications it might have on your data and services. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate through the process with ease. Thanks for watching, and stay tech savvy.